Hi guys, today in this tutorial I am going to explain you about the JavaScript data types which are very important. Let me go into the code. I have written a paragraph tag over here and I have written a script tag over here. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create a variable a which is an integer. So I am assigning value 10 to that. Now I am going to create another variable b. I am assigning a string to it. Now I am going to create a variable c to which I am going to give a float point value to that. So now I am going to create a variable d and I am assigning a boolean value to it. So these are all the data types. This is boolean type, and this is number type of floating value, this is string type, and this is normal decimal value. So these are all the data types. There are many other data types like arrays, objects, we will see afterwards, and these are all the data types. And we have also the type of operator. So let me show you the thing. So I am going to print document dot get element by id of p dot inner html is equal to a. Let me see the output for that. So it is 10. Now I am going to use the type of operator. Type of a. The type of a is number. Now let me see the type of b. Type of b is string. Type of c. Type of c is number. Type of d. Type of d is a boolean. Now I am going to create an array over here. So this is the outside concept. That means I will tell this in further tutorials. So it is telling that it is an object. Then I am going to give now the real object like this, name, that means Pawan. Now I am going to give another variable as age. So let me see, it returns again an object. So these are all about the data types, and we have also the undefined type. That means I have created a variable a and I am going to print the type of a. The type of a is undefined. We can give empty values. If we give empty values, it will show nothing. So there is another data type called null. I can give null. So the data type is object for that. We can give undefined also. It will give undefined like that. This is the basic thing of JavaScript. So we can also see the undefined and null are similar, but we will see the type it is not similar. So we will see this in next tutorial. We will understand more about that. So JavaScript is purely dynamic. What I am going to say is, let me show you. So here a is equal to 20. Fine. Now what I am going to do is so a is having different values. Now the a value is boolean. Fine. Let me keep in comments this. A is number. So it is changing dynamically. By this you understood that it is changing dynamically. So let me print the value of a, not the type. Now it is going to print the string. Now let me keep, now it is number, so it is printing the number. Now I am removing, so it is now converted as string dynamically. Now it is converted again from string to number. Now it is converted to boolean, from number to boolean it is converted, so it is dynamic. JavaScript is dynamic. So this is what I want to say. So fine guys, in next tutorial I am going to tell you about the functions which are very interesting and which are very useful and which are very important guys. Don't miss it. Until then, keep practicing.